Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Silky et je vous soigne les articles. Notre sujet est les articles. That means articles. So like in English, we have three types of articles: a, an, and the. In French, the articles are divided into two parts: article indéfini et article défini. Indéfini means the words that are used for a and an, and défini are the articles, definite articles that are used for specific nouns. So indéfini are of three types: un, une, des. Un, une, des. These are the three types of article indéfini. So un is used for masculine singular noun. Une is used for feminine singular noun. And they is used for plural nouns. So plural in French is called pluriel. Masculine, feminine, and pluriel. That means plural nouns. So first one, all these are used as a and an. A and an. Un, une, des. Un, une, des. That means un is used for masculine, une is used for feminine, and des is used for plural words. In the same way, article défini, these are divided into four parts. So first, it is called le, la, les, and l apostrophe. Le, la, les, and l apostrophe. Le is used for masculine singular noun. La is used for feminine singular noun. And les is used for plural nouns. The word that starts with plural, that are plural in number, so they are called les. And l apostrophe is used with silent h as well as vowel. So vowels, if a word starts with a vowel or there is a silent h, then we will use the word l apostrophe. So these are used, and they, basically they word is used for some. They is used for some. Like if I want to say I have a pen. I have a pen. So in French, how will I write I have a pen? I will say j'ai. It is pronounced as one thing. J'ai un stylo. Pen is called stylo. So I will say j'ai un stylo. I have a pen. I have a eraser. I have, in English we will write I have an eraser because it is starting with a vowel E. So I have an eraser. So in French we will say j'ai une gomme. As it is ending with E, mostly in French 80% of the words, 75 to 80% of the words that ends with E are feminine noun. French में these words, these nouns are divided into two parts, masculine as well as feminine. So mostly 75 to 80% that ends with E, they are feminine noun. I'm not saying 100%, I'm just saying 75 to 80% because there are a lot of exceptions here. So we will study about the exceptions also. So first thing is j'ai une gomme. Une, why we are adding une? Because it is a feminine noun that is ending with E. Gomme is ending with E, so that means it's a feminine noun. So I will add j'ai une gomme. I have an eraser. A and an, for a and an we use article indéfini. So that's why I am using j'ai une gomme. Third one, let's study about plural words also. So if I say you have some ice creams. You have some ice creams. Some is a plural word. Ice creams means plural word. So how do we write it? You यू के लिए हम बोलते हैं त्यू. त्यू ए. सम, फॉर सम वी यूज दे. त्यू ए दे glass. त्यू ए दे glass. That means you have some ice creams. So त्यू ए दे glass. That is about article indefini. Now I am coming to article defini. So article defini, it is divided into 4 parts: la, la, le, and l apostrophe. So first thing, la. Je le stilo the Paul. Now this word is specific. I have the pen of Paul. I have Paul's pen. मेरे पास Paul का pen है. So I will write je le stilo the Paul. Le. I am using le here because stilo is a masculine word. So je le stilo the Paul. I have the pen of Paul, or I have Paul's pen. Now la. Where do we use la? La is a feminine word. So we have to use it with feminine noun. So nous avons means we have the pencils of, if there is any particular name, so we will write here some names. So we have some erasers. I will say we have some erasers. Nous avons les gommes. Nous avons les gommes. Nous avons les gommes de Samir. Nous avons les gommes de Samir. Gomme means plural word because it is ending with S. The words that are ending with S or X. There are some words which are ending with X also. So if the word is ending with S or X, they are called plural words. So if they are plural words, then we will use les here. In article défini, we use les. Nous avons les gommes de Samir. We have the erasers. Gomme means erasers. So we have the erasers of Samir. So particular proper noun is given here. That means Samir. We have the erasers of Samir. Proper noun is given here. So we use les here. So now comes to L apostrophe. L apostrophe is used with silent H. Like le hotel. Hotel. H is silent. So it will become l'hotel. L'hotel. Le homme. Homme means man. H is silent here. So it will become l'homme. L'homme. The man. L'homme. So in these words we use L apostrophe. Oiseau. There is one more word, oiseau. Oiseau means bird. So if I want to say I have the bird, so j'ai le oiseau. So it will be l'oiseau. J'ai l'oiseau. I have the bird. L. O is a vowel. That is why I am using L apostrophe here. Now, as earlier I was talking about the exceptions. So there are some exceptional words also which are ending with E, but they are not feminine nouns. So exceptions are there. We have to remember these exceptions till we learn French. So exceptions are, first word is livre. Livre. This one is exceptional word. Livre means book. Livre, book. Number 2, cartable. Cartable. Cartable means school bag. Cartable, school bag. So school bag is also an exceptional word. The next word is maison. Maison. Maison means house. This is also an exceptional word. House. Maison. Then there is one more word. Fleur. fleur. Fleur means flower. So all these are exceptional words. So we will have some tricks to remember these words. Like first one is livre and cartable. Livre is ending with E and cartable is ending with E. Yes, 80% of the words that ends with E are feminine words. But now these two words are not feminine words. Why? Because livre and cartable are counted as masculine words. This word is masculine noun and this one is also masculine noun. So if I want to add article here, le article, then I will use a or la here. I will not use yun, a, la. Yun and la nahi use hoga because these are exceptional words. Now there are some tricks to remember these words also. So how you can remember these words? So livre and cartable, that means book and school bag. Now we all know that in earlier times only boys used to go to school, right? So if the boys go to school, then the books are also with them and the school bag is with them. So these words are masculine words. You can remember it like this. कि सिर्फ बॉयज जो स्कूल जाते थे तो स्कूल बैग भी उनके पास ही होता होगा और हमारी बुक्स भी उनके पास ही होती थी. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन रिमेंबर इट. दीज आर मैस्कुलिन वर्ड्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज हाउस. ए फ्लर. हाउस. हाउस मीन्स मेजो and fleur. Fleur is flower. So maison a fleur. These are not ending with E. E पे end नहीं है. But these are exceptional words. These are feminine words. So both of these words are feminine. So we can remember these words. Feminine है, so we have to write yun, a, la with them. These are feminine nouns. So we can remember it like maison, house. We can say that कि house या घर सिर्फ मेन कहते हैं कि हम घर जाके सबसे पहले मम्मा को सर्च करते हैं और घर लेडीज से बनता है. We used to say these slogans. So maison is a feminine word. You can remember it like this. Flowers and colors. There is one more word, color, couleur. Couleur is also there. So color and flower. Both these words are feminine words. We can generally say that ki colors and flowers are mostly preferable by girls. So we can say by using these, we can say that these are feminine words. So with couleur also we use yun, a, la. Yun, la. That means these are feminine words. So now I hope so. The basic difference between yun, they and la, la, le and l apostrophe is clear to you. These both are the basic articles. Le article indefini, a article defini. The article are divided into two parts. Okay, a and an is used as article indefini. And definite articles like the, so we use la, la, le and l apostrophe for the specific nouns, proper nouns we can say. So I hope so these are clear to you. So merci beaucoup et merci.